Hello guys, welcome back. Once again, this is Adhay. If you're new to my channel, welcome. And as you can see, what today's video will be all about, yes, press-ons. Today I want to show you guys how I apply these press-ons from Glamnetic. I already tried this one, and actually I was wearing it in one of my last videos, and they are beautiful. So let's just move this one apart for now. We're going to move on with this video. Therefore, if you want to see how I apply these press-on nails, being fairly new to press-on nails, then I suggest you to keep on watching. From these three, I'm between this one or this one. And to be quite honest, I feel that this one goes best with my skin tone. And this one, if anything, I want to pop a color. These are gorgeous too. Like I mentioned earlier, these nails are from Glamnetic. So first of all, the packaging is beautiful and very small. If you ask me, very compact. You'll see right now what I mean. In the back, they have directions that are very easy to follow. First one being, remove any previously applied nail polish, wash and dry hands. We already did that. Before I continue reading the directions, I'm going to open this baby up and show you guys what it has inside. Ooh, so beautiful. Something that I was very impressed about this packaging is how compact it was. So here we have the top nails, and then we take this off, and it has this alcohol pad, and it has extra nails. I honestly thought that it only came with 10 nails, but I'm super happy that they give you extra ones, of course, because we all don't have the same nail size. And it comes with the glue and the stick, oops, this little stick right here, and the nail file. I just thought it was so cute the way that it was compact. So now that we have everything that we need out, let's read the directions. Push back cuticle using the cuticle stick and sanitize nails with alcohol pads. Excuse my nails. I have been a construction worker lately doing some home renovations, and yeah, my nails are pretty nasty. After that, it says to sanitize your nails with alcohol pads. We have one here. They did provide one, so we're gonna do that. Just make sure all the nails are nice and sanitized. Size Glamnetic nails by placing on finger and select sizes best suited for your natural nails. Let's see. Oh, great. My nail beds are pretty small. They are not your average nail beds, so excuse that. Ooh. My nail bed is so tiny. There you go. And with all this, I'm going to add an extra step. I'm going to file the top of my nail bed. Of course, you don't have to do this. They hold pretty well. They last a long time. I just want to do this extra step because I'm going to do something very hefty during these next few days. So I want to make sure that my nails are pretty well on and they don't fall during my heavy duty activities. That is the reason why. Apply an even layer of glue to the natural nail and apply it to the back of the nail. Okay. You want to press, oops, and hold. Hold for about 10 to 20 seconds. Excuse my scratches. My cat got a little upset with me and scratched me. And voila! On to the next one. I did too much. done with these nails. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to try to clip them a little bit, just because on the very tip they have a number. I want to get a different shape, so I'll be right back. I'm going to go ahead and just clip the very tip of it, just like that. Oops. And then I'm going to file it. And I'm going to file it. I'm gonna go ahead and wash them and I'll be right back. And they're done. I really like how easy and fast it was to apply and reshape. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye. 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 Hasta luego. Shout out to Glamnetic for these bomb AF nails.